how to cancel Netflix subscription. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription so that you no longer get charged. And I'll be doing this on a PC or laptop. If you're trying to do this on a phone, check the description because I have a separate tutorial showing you how to do that. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser and navigate to netflix.com. Unfortunately, there is no way to actually end our subscription on our TV or something like that. Once you get to Netflix, go up into the top right, select sign in, and then sign into your Netflix account. It may prompt you to choose a profile, so go ahead and do that. Once you do that, go up on the top right, hover over your profile image, and then select account. Once an account, all we need to do is select manage membership, then just select cancel membership at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, it'll bring you here where we need to find cancel, select the plus symbol to expand that, and then select finish cancellation. You've now canceled your Netflix membership. It'll give you the date when your membership will end, and you can provide a reason why you cancel it, but you don't have to. You can simply go back to Netflix and start enjoying it for the rest of your membership. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.